Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will do a presentation about case study Sustainability Assessment Methodology (SAM). Before I start, let me introduce my team member first. My name is Nurhuda binti Azni. Next is Ilham Khairunisa binti Ilyas, Siti Nofatihah binti Khalid, and Muhammad Hazwan bin Hussein. First, I will talk about introduction of sustainability assessment methodology. SAM is used to assess the sustainability content of the activities of the Forestry Department of Peninsular Malaysia, JPSM. Sustainability assessment can be defined as the process of identifying, measuring, and evaluating the potential impacts of alternatives for sustainability. The process of integrating natural and societal systems, addressing both local and global dimensions, and covering both short-term and long-term perspective. SAM also assesses the social, environmental, economic, and resources usage impacts of a project over its full life cycle, including product use. Next, I will talk about 7 sustainability assessment tools. For number 1 is Multi-Criteria Decision Analysis, MCDA. Number 2 is Material Flow Analysis. Third is Life Cycle Assessment, LCA. Fourth, Input-Output Models. Fifth, Sustainability Indicators and Indices. Sixth is Cost-Benefit Analysis, CBA. And lastly is Optimization Method.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ilham Khairunisa binti Ilyas. So, I want to talk about the issue of sustainability assessment methodology. If you can see, first is reduction of natural resources, and second is global warming and climate change, and third is the rise of sea level. 4 is extension of plant and animal species, and 5 is increase in pollution and pollutant. And lastly is the depletion of ozone level.
Now, I will continue to the next slide, which is the current landscape for impact assessment. For this slide, have 4, which is types, levels, targets, and timing. So for these types, have sustainability, integrated, regulatory, environmental, and economic. The second one is levels. These levels have local, national, regional, sectoral, and international. The third one is targets. So for these targets have policies, programs, projects, regulations, and agreements. All of these have the targets. And the last one is timing. This timing have before, during, and after. Next slide is the main sustainability assessment tools. So for this slide have economic, environmental, and social. This is the main sustainability assessment tools. For this economic, have cost or benefit analysis, modeling, regressions, and scenarios. The second one is environmental. In environmental, have life cycle analysis, material flows, resource accounting, ecological footprint. The third one is social. In this social has sustainability livelihoods, humans, and social capital measurement, and the last one is participatory processes.
Okay, now I will continue about the step in sustainability impact assessment. We choose 8 steps. The first one is screening the proposal. Second, scoping the assessment. Third, selecting tools or methodology to match the scoping. The explanation about step in sustainability impact assessment. The first point, quick scan of a policy proposal to identify significant conflicts across economy, environmental, and social dimension warranting and sustainability impact assessment. Second point, specification of the depth and extent of the assessment as proportionate to the importance of the proposal and potential impact. Third point, selection of the most priority tools and method for the different stage of the sustainability impact assessment. Okay, next slide. Fourth, ensuring stakeholder participation. Fifth, analysis the economy, environmental and social impact. Sixth, identifying synergy, conflict and trade-off across this impact. Okay, the explanation about step 4, involvement of the stakeholder through various means in different stages of the sustainability impact assessment. Explanation for step 5, assessment of the economy, environmental and social impact of the policy proposal. Explanation for step 6, identification of the synergy, conflict and trade-off across identified economy, environmental and social impact. Okay, next slide. Proposing mitigating measure to optimize positive outcome. The last one, presenting the result and option to policy maker. Okay, explanation step 7, enumeration of modification or supplemental measure to better balance economy, environmental and social concerns. Okay, last explanation, presentation of result of sustainability impacts assessment to policy maker, including trade-off, mitigating measure and option. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.